Oh, we forgot the cheese.
I got you right here, my friend. Shred it.
It's up to you, Pop. Oh my goodness. So we're sticking with that one?
2 for 6, can't beat it, but I don't know how much we're gonna need.
And Paul's thinking place begins. What do you think, Paul? Is 2 enough?
Get one more.
Get one more. Oh, he said get one more. Aries? How much cream cheese are we getting?
Yeah, 2 blocks.
2 blocks? 2 blocks? Oh,
Yeah, just
whoops.
extra.
Okay, guys, we're looking for ground pork. We're just finding ground beef. Where is the pork?
They look and sound delirious.
Yeah.
Delicious, my dad.
Delirious. Beef?
It was pork sausage. It was actually ground pork sausage.
Yeah, you could always do a freestyle with sausage and beef.
I like Gil's thinking.
Like
Yeah.
Like a heart attack.
ground beef, and he makes one of those things of Jimmy Dean sausage.
Yeah.
Mix it in.
Sam's gonna be the tester too.
Yeah, let's do it. Alright, on the search for some Hawaiian punches. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. Alright, so approximately like 10 seconds pass by where we found the Hawaiian punch. I guess we stick it with the normal?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
The jalapenos.
Alright. The jalapenos. So get one off shopping, and Paul is now getting the jalapenos. We can see if he gets the
I'm gonna try to get this wolf over here. He looks
that one looks like a good one right there.
Looks kind of lonely, man.
Ooh,
Right?
these things are rigged, Gil.
Yeah, I know.
We're not gonna get it, man.
No, that looks about right.
No, that looks about, yeah. Alright, y'all seeing this, guys?
Right there, dog. $10 bucks.
Oh, that one.
Wow.
Wow. So you've never tasted it before, huh?
Nope, this is gonna be the first boy.
There's sausage.
Spice in there. Some Gil spice.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Should be pretty good, man. I'm hoping the sausage adds a little kick.
I don't know, man. I think it's gonna be too much patag.
Too much Pythagorean theorem?
Yeah.
We could always make a pirotala for dessert.
I don't know if I know how to make up pirotala.
All you gotta do is, you get a little bit of fresh bread,
Uh-huh.
and you mix it up with a little bit of cinnamon, and you add that special ingredient, pancake mix.
Pancake mix. Alright, I'm gonna put that on the screen for you guys. Y'all can follow the ingredients if y'all want. He's freaking out at me, but he has his pet turtles, guys. Look, he's smiling. Gil, Aries came out of nowhere.
He's ready to bake, man.
You hear him, babe?
Is he? He's ready for the food.
He's excited, man.
We're here in Paul's diner. Gilly's handling the jalapenos. And Paul, what is that, Paul? Queso?
Cream cheese.
It's cream cheese, everybody. He doesn't know what he doesn't.
I can't even find out way.
Don't worry, I'm gonna find my way to help. I'm gonna probably put the ingredients in and stuff. Like the nice seasoning. I might overdo it, I'm not sure.
Should be a little scrumdiddlyumptious, to be honest.
Oh!
This man.
Cheese! That motherfucker! Why did I go eat it though? Oh my god. What are you doing? Oh look, there comes Aries. He wants to be in the camera. He took off.
Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in yours. I can see it in your scapito. And the only reason I wonder is
While Paul's singing, I'm gonna actually
what's the matter?
attempt to squeeze the meat.
Hello?
Here.
Out there, it feels like I'm talking to myself. Am I the one who's crazy? Que la haya conocido me hace feliz. Para papá. There it was.
You okay, Gil? Alright, we're adding some brown sugar. Paul said freestyle, so I'm gonna kind of just freestyle. Tell me when to stop.
Come on, man. Don't be stingy, be no generous.
Roasted garlic and herb. Alright, here we go.
Don't be stingy, dog.
Don't be stingy. Montreal chicken seasoning. Great. Okay, how much?
That's enough.
Uncle Chris gourmet steak seasoning. Oh, the hamburger seasoning. Oh my goodness.
It's not even cooked yet, and I see all that steam. All that steam.
Yeah.
All that glorious steam. That delicious steam. That good steam, motherfucker. You can put it on the table.
First try.
What, everybody? Here we go. Get it.
I had to just flip it on there.
Alright. Sounds like it's in a break.
Yeah. Pull that back for me a little. The foil.
I'm really hoping it wraps around.
Bacon.
We might have to add more bacon.
Yeah. We're gonna have to add more.
Yeah.
Just leave it.
It's not gonna
We're gonna have to add more out this way. That way.
That's what
Get
I'm
the
saying,
other
right here. We'll just throw bacon on the top to cover the gap.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah, right? Because it's not. How does it work, man? Well.
Here goes that one. Don't you try this?
Good thinking, Gilbert.
Voila. I'm just giving it some extra support.
That was juicy, dude.
Oh.
It's swimming in what you call a heart attack, everybody. Poppin'? All the seasonings?
That shit tastes good, bro.
There's so many flavors. I think we just went off. Yeah, I think that's most of it. Yeah, it's cream cheese.
Strong, yeah.
But other than that, yes. How much did we spend to make this? 40 bucks?
Yeah, but we huge.
Hey, but it's worth it.
Like,
I'm
I'm gonna be full with just this, man.
I mean, you could buy a little pack of ground beef and
big though.
under 20 bucks. I guarantee under 20 bucks. But we went all out and got the biggest one they had, and
Bought the biggest pack of cheese as well. Make sure guys get some of these.
Yeah.
Only $2. They actually raised 30 cents. We gotta know these only used to be $2. Anyways, get some of these. Eat this with it. It complements it so well. So what do you think, Gil?
It was pretty good at first. After that, started eating more into it and noticed it needed like a little more spice. it was missing like that kick, man.
So what do you think we could have added to it?
Maybe some more jalapenos or some more peppers.
I guess it retains the juices, doesn't it, when it's smoked, or compared to being in
somewhat.
Yeah. So what do you know?
Honestly, it was all right, but for the weight,
But we could have done a lot better.
yeah, it would have been better. This is just
I think putting all the
a rough draft.
To cook for too long.
Yeah.
So it kind of dried out over time. I think if it would have been less, we would have went thinner or whatever. It would have cooked faster and the juices would have stayed in there. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It would be good if you added those. Was it the Serrano?
Oh, yeah. Spice.
Honestly, yeah, Serrano. Or if you live on the wild side, you can mix up the Serrano and the jalapenos. You know,
Yeah.
risky enough. You throw some chile piquins up in that.
I'll give it a 6.5, man.
6.5.
I think from what we experienced from it and what we know now, I think the next one will be at least a 9 if we did it again.
We actually
At least
do
a
it.
9.
Just get the juices in there.
You gotta live life dangerously and add a little washamat up in that, you know?
Yeah.
And, you know, drizzle it up with a little chingame pancake.
Make sure to like, comment, and see maybe if you have any ideas that you would like us to try, put it in the comments. Give us some ingredients as well, or maybe if you want us to freestyle them, that'd be cool. With that,
Subscribe and watch us go live.